okay. It's just machinery. You're safe. You're okay. Come and drink, babies. Come and drink. It'll be like this most of the day now. Some of the birds have went to the waterland ground feeders, but I didn't put more water in there, so they're headed back over here. The one container is half water, but I need to fill those. I must have over 100 birds in the trees. They're just gorgeous. And if I would leave, I'd probably head back to 20, 30 in the bird bath. I swear there had to have been like 20 when I first came out. They'll get used to me filming again and won't be afraid. They're already pretty comfortable with me. Birds have memory patterns, the way that they fly, where they eat and drink, and I always tell them they're safe here. They're safe to eat all the berries and seeds and bugs and help themselves to all the water they want. About 20 feet to the west, I have 3 more bird baths on the ground and in the trees. And the blue jays are over there. And it seems like most of the robins have decided to take their morning drink here. Afternoon now. In this brief moment, I'm going to go add some water because they're loving this, so let's do it. Let's see, I've got to get a container here I can use. enjoy birds, enjoy. And the squirrels come there too. And I see butterflies that go there and dragonflies. It's a little early for that. It's not quite as warm as they like it. And although this looks nasty, I know how I will. Matter of fact, let's see if I can do it right now. No, it needs some more moisture, and then I'll fill that up too. And if we don't get rain pretty soon, I'll run the hose for more water. Just depends on what's going to happen around here. Okay, here we go. Let's dump the rest of this in here, even though Jackie will give me enough to get this container clean. Yep, and that I have to get another little screw to put in here. This, believe it or not, is going on 15 years old, and I have to replace the one part because I don't like to let things go. They can still be used. I have to get the, what's it called? I have to get the screw and the bolt, and then that'll be done. Let me put it down for a minute, everybody. See, so it keeps some view for you.